Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Surya Dharma. Saya adalah mahasiswa PPG LPTK Universitas Muhammadiyah kategori 1 angkatan 2, dan hari ini saya akan mengajar di salah satu kelas yang ada di sekolah saya. Bagaimana saya mengajar hari ini? Yuk kita saksikan bersama-sama. Morning 7A. Today, Mr. Surya, nice to meet you because this is the first meeting I meet you because our long holiday before.
Yes.
Yeah. Now I want to ask you, how are you today? Who's feeling good today? Brandon. Good. Atara? Are you feeling good?
Yeah, my feelings were good. Sometimes like the normal and like disconfused, I don't know.
Oh, confused for what?
Mixed.
Oh, mix. Okay. Before we start, I want to check your attendance first. I want to call your name one by one first. We want to pray first before we start. Who wants to? Raisa Akila. Udah Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu. Patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa. Badi bangsaku, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Garuda Pancasila, akulah pendukungmu. Patriot proklamasi, sedia berkorban untukmu. Pancasila dasar negara, rakyat adil makmur sentosa. Pribadi bangsaku, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju, ayo maju, maju. Thank you. You may sit down. Now, before we start, I want to say to you about our objective today. Our objective today, we are going to learn about this descriptive text. Our learning goal for today are, you can identify descriptive text about job profession, analyzing the information about jobs, occupation, and profession. What is the differences between this terminology? What do you think about this? When you saw someone like this, feel job.
Why happy?
The environment. before we learn more about this, I want to play a games with you. Ice breaking. Yes. Okay. I ever played this before, but not with you. Maybe some of you. Here, I have two cards here. The white cards and the red cards here. For the white card, this is for the girls. And the red card, this is for the boys. Okay? Why we must do this? We want to know how chemistry you are in this room. Yeah? We want to play meet and match. If you make the sentence, must be have the correlation between your friends about the sentence. For example, this is the red for boys, and then the white for the girls. I give the example. Rafa, can you read it? Yes. Who wants like this?
No.
No. Why, Atora?
Because like, if we treat people every day, how could we get like for ourselves?
Nice. This is correct because has the correlation between the first sentence and the second sentence. Next. Abed, could you please read it?
I am a good student.
If I'm a good student,
I will not be
I will not be naughty. Is it reasonable?
Yeah.
Yes, good match.
Yeah.
Yes. What did you learn from this activity? What did you learn? Expert thinking, audience center communication, and then in what part?
Synergistic collaboration.
Synergistic collaboration. Okay, thank you. Now, we want to know more about descriptive text about jobs. This.
Baller.
Who wants to give the opinions about this player? About this man? The first. Who is he? Oh, Abed. Abed.
Kylian Mbappe.
Yeah. In what club? PSG. And how many goals? Okay. Okay. Kylian Mbappe. Okay. One of my favorite player in football. Danes, do you recognize him? Who? Lee Min Ho. Can you describe? Handsome. Chesa? By looking outlook of this man, what is your opinion? Now, I will invite Mr. Sra to bring something here. Mr. Sra, could you please to help me to bring the artworks, one of your artworks. One of your artworks. Okay, that one. Okay. This one. I borrowed from art room. Yeah, I borrowed from art room. I have two objects. I will show you one of them. This is talking about something. Artwork. Can you describe? Oh, aturan.
It describes masa pengasingan Presiden Soekarno di Brastagi. Bener kan? Ya apa? Pokoknya di Toba.
Oh, di Danau Toba. Okay.
Pengasingan dia.
When you see this, how many objects inside of these artworks?
4.
You sure?
Yeah. 6.
Mr. Teguh, explain something to me about inside of these artworks. There's an internal message, has a deep message from these artworks. Only the one who create this.
Ini.
Okay, Presiden Soekarno, the first president,
Pengasingan.
the tiger,
Sumatera Utara.
Sumatera Utara.
Danau Toba. Batak. Toba. And then Batak Babulunci.
Why the one create this, put 5 bamboos in here?
Oh, I know.
Pancasila. By looking at this object, you know something. What about this? One of your artworks, tulip. You think there is a deep message from these paintings? Why?
Depends on how you view it and depends on the art.
Yeah, depends on the one who makes this.
Germany.
If you see this one, if you look at this one, is there special message from this? We want to compare two things. What is occupation and what is profession? So, what is the differences between occupation and profession? We want to analyze. I want to give you this activity. I will divide you into in a partner. Doing it a partner. Try it. With your partner, try to find out kinds of jobs around us. List them down below. To this, what is the question? There is a question? No. There is a statement. What is the topic being discussed? Talking about this. You write down in here. Ask your friends, ask your partner to fill out this one. What do I think about it? Ask your friends. What does my partner think about this? And after list down talking about jobs around you, list down in here. Yeah, as many as you can in here. Now I will give you 2 minutes to choose your own partner. And now, after doing you have chosen two topics, two kinds of job. For example, Mr. Suresh said that one of your worksheet said to me that he wants to explore about doctor, chef. If you put doctor, put in here the topic talking about doctor in here and the chef in here, and then collect the information talking about doctor, about his job, what must the jobs do, and then this is, and the chef, what chef do in everyday's activity. Write down in here. You can use your search by using your information, using internet. You can open your laptop, and then don't forget to write down the resources in here with your partner. This is the last. Please to share. Okay. You can search the information by using your laptop. You can open your laptop. You can open your laptop. You can open your laptop to search the information about the jobs and describe the jobs. Kamu kuliah tadi, Bren? Oh, enggak apa-apa. Tulis aja di sini, ha. Kamu tadi bilang apa? Water slider. Okay, put in here. Write down the information in it.
What information?
Yeah, what about this topic? About coach. What must coach do? Put in here. You search. Raisa sudah? Mana punya Raisa? You choose the one of the topic. Maybe a doctor. You search the information in here. Okay? One of the profession. Okay? Okay, silakan Tim. I give you 10 minutes. I give you 10 minutes. Okay, who wants to present? Atora with Kirana. Could you please explain it in here? Put in here.
Gimana caranya tuh?
Okay. Where is Kirana? Greeting first.
Good morning, friends.
Good morning, Atora.
Today, me and Kirana are going to present about the job we take to
Okay, so Kirana present.
You, it's okay. Maybe the first or the second is okay.
Presentasi untuk teacher Kirana.
apa itu kok orang yang memberikan ilmu mengetahui kepada anak didik tugas-tugas kunci sebelum mendidik mungkin mengajar mengarahkan menyamati mengevaluasi mau jadi guru seperti apa harus secara pendidikan.
And then Atora?
Jadi saya akan mempresentasikan tugas yang saya pilih tadi, yaitu psikolog. Apa itu psikolog? Psikolog itu salah satu bidang ilmu yang mempelajari pikiran, perilaku, dan mental. Jadi saya memilih psikolog karena pertama itu adalah cita-cita saya, dan juga karena saya lihat psikolog itu sangat dibutuhkan di kehidupan sehari-hari. Selanjutnya ada pertanyaan yang muncul di pikiran saya saat mempelajari tentang bidang ini, yaitu apa itu bedanya psikolog dan psikiater. Jadi informasi yang saya dapatkan adalah, jadi psikolog itu lebih ke pikiran dan mental. Jadi mereka berfokus kepada kata-kata dan apa yang ada di pikiran sang pasien. Sedangkan psikiater lebih kepada diagnosa di tubuh fisik dan saraf-saraf. Selanjutnya adalah berapa lama kuliah jadi psikolog? Minimal 8 semester atau 4 tahun, dan yang maksimal adalah 12 semester, yaitu 6 tahun. Psikolog memiliki beberapa variasi tempat kerja, antaranya ada rumah sakit, klinik, pusat rehabilitas, sekolah, badan intelijen, perusahaan teknologi, dan lain-lain. Jadi untuk tugas untuk mencari informasi ini, saya telah menggunakan beberapa sumber seperti maranta.edu, detik.com, dan alodokter.com. Jadi dapat disimpulkan dari presentasi saya, bahwa menurut saya psikolog itu bisa memberikan dampak besar bagi manusia walaupun dirinya sendiri. Dan dengan mempelajari menjadi psikolog, maka kita dapat mengerti orang lain dan diri kita sendiri.
Okay, any question or comments? Okay.
Christian?
Why you choose psycholog?
Terima kasih atas pertanyaannya. Saya ingin menjadi psikolog karena menurut saya ini akan menjadi skill dan sumber penghasilan yang sangat baik. Saya bisa membantu mengerti keadaan saya dan keadaan orang di sekitar saya, dan juga mendapatkan penghasilan yang banyak. Ngomong-ngomong, penghasilan psikolog itu bisa dari 5 juta sebulan sampai 15 juta sebulan. Oke, apakah ada pertanyaan atau komentar yang lain?
Okay, the last one.
Raffi?
Saya mau bertanya, apakah kamu tahu dia ada
Psikolog.
kamu tahu dari dulu atau baru tahu?
Oke, jadi untuk pekerjaannya sendiri saya sudah tahu dari dulu, cuma saya memutuskan ingin itu menjadi cita-cita saya atau ingin menjadi goal saya pada masa depan, itu mungkin sekitar dari termin 1 yang lalu.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, who wants? To your friend's presentation talking about their jobs for the next, and now we want to know more about this. You write down the information in here talking about the designer and novelist in here. So after doing this, what kinds of learner outcomes you have to apply? Right hand? Audience center communication, expert thinking, and then
Synergistic collaboration.
synergistic collaboration. Rafa? adaptability and agility, empathetic social skills, because all learner outcomes to apply for doing this. Okay, so for the next meeting, we want to continue talking about more about the jobs and the profession. Thank you for your attention, and we want to close our lesson today by praying. Who wants? Oh, Brandon Toa. Thank you so much for your cooperation, for your attention in our lesson today. Next meeting, we will continue talking about descriptive text, but with another objects. Thank you so much, and see you next week. Thank you all. You may clean up, and you may go to toilet. I will give you 2 minutes before we end up this. You may go now. Thank you so much.